Automatic Dual Station Dicing and Sorting Machine FDS 3210. Features: with a variety of unloading processing methods, can be loaded with carrier tray and arranging trays. Variety of dicing systems, single, dual spindle dicing engine system is available. Rich visual inspection configuration can be configured according to different product appearance requirements. High-speed dicing handling system, UPH 40,000. Handling efficiency only. Main applications: QFN, BGA, LGA, SIP, PCB, EMC wireframe.